Hello students of Standard 5. Today we are going to learn Chapter 8, Someone, Part 2. We have learned in the Part 1 that poet Walter de la Mare has written this poem and he always writes about the nature, about the children. So he says in this poem that when he was small, he heard one day knocking at the door and he was so surprised. Who can be in the night? It is a still night, dark night, and how it will be possible? But he still took courage, came and opened the door. He looked left and right and he saw no one. He could not see anyone. He says, but not there was a stirring. Nothing was there. Nobody was standing there. Nobody was seen there. Nobody was visible. In the still dark night, night was very dark and nobody was visible there. Only the busy beetle. Beetle near the light, they come, fall, they eat the small ones, and only they were found there who were very busy. Says, tapping in the wall. He heard tapping on the wall, knocking at the door, at the wall. Only from the forest, he could not see who tapped, but only from the forest, he could hear the screech owl's call. Screech owl's call. Only the cricket whistling. You may say cricket whistling. Cricket is not you play the bat and ball, but this is cricket is a small insect which night comes, jumps, flies and is the food of many other creatures. So cricket is actually in Hindi it is called chingur. While the dewdrops fall is telling in the night, only busy beetles are there. Then owl's screech is there. He can hear. Then also he can see the dewdrops falling. Dewdrop means fog. In the night that Oz falls, Kuhasa falls, that is called dewdrop, fog, F-O-G, fog. Says, why the dewdrops fall? So, I know not who came knocking. So, he's telling while dewdrops falls, everything is dark, not clear. So, I don't know who came knocking at the door. I can't see who was there at the door, who knocked at the door, and only I can see the busy beetle. Insect creatures all moving there. From far away from the forest, owls' screeches can be heard. The crickets' whistlings can be heard. And also I can see dewdrops falling. Children, he says, I know not who came knocking. I don't know who came knocking at the door. At all. He's saying at all. First he had said sure. He was very sure that somebody had come. But now he is not. He is telling at all who had come. Who knocked at the door and gone. It is trouble. Who has done? We have no idea. See here Walter de la Mare says that the poet was not frightened. He was sleeping while in the night he heard knocking at the door like this. And he got up. He went to the door. He opened the door, looked left and right. See here how he has opened the door and little he has opened and he is looking left and right. He is looking anybody is there, but on the wall he can see the beetles are there. Here busy beetles are there, and that's all he can see. Otherwise, nothing is visible. So he is wondering what happened, who was there, who has done this, how it is possible that somebody knocked. He is sure that somebody has knocked, but who is that? Beetles are night. There are two types of insect. One is the prey to the bigger insects, and other one is goes and eats. He is the attacking insect. Like when in the house mosquitoes are there, the lizard will eat up. All the mosquito small insect is eaten by lizard. Like that outside, beetles are also eaten by different insects. Insects are all around. Especially in the night, rainy season, when the light is on, beetles are, insects are, frogs, snakes even comes. So here poet says he can hear in the forest only the owl's screech, cricket whistling, dewdrop falling. These are the only things which he can see. Okay, children? Now, anything is there which you want to ask me? Huh? Anything is there? No? So once again we read the poem. But note there was a still, in the still dark night, only the busy beetle tapping in the wall, only from the forest the screech owl's call, only the cricket whistling, while the dewdrops fall. So I know not who came knocking at all. So children, this poem you have learned 6 lines early. Today also you learn the rest of it. Okay? The balance poem today you learn. Tomorrow I will ask you. Okay? Thank you.